Hay teacher.
bạn như vậy.
This is the best.
Chưa bạn cái này.
You can explain, okay?
Ah,
So
yes.
what is the meaning of logistics?
It's
Again?
We need that.
Yes.
Do you want to pass? Just leave it here. only three entities. Okay? 3 entities, that's all.
Just three.
Just 3 entities on the connections.
Cost, less transportation. Okay. That is the total for the.
You have done it. You have a restaurant. You know how to do an entity relationship, right? Diagram for a restaurant.
Yeah, but I don't know what's the name. The place where you put the tables
It's
and
about
chairs.
Ah,
You know, for example, in the
the
hotel.
dining area.
Uh-huh.
Dining area.
Dining.
Okay, I have
Yes.
some question on that.
as a supplier,
In
big
food
supplier,
industry, do we need steel or
Or dining room too.
big supplier.
steel? Why?
We have farmers,
Something about that, like it to be washable.
just right, parameters,
Bacteria.
and decision variable and object.
And can you tell me in OXO which type of like container we use? Beans, shells,
And despite the
pallets?
title,
In OXO.
they use, no,
Shells, perfect.
yes,
For a small parts, we use
yes, record.
Yeah, it's recorded.
beans, perfect. And for
Two
customer,
level, this right title, two level transportation model, two level
perfect.
transportation.
And also maybe yard. Yard in,
Beans.
can you tell me, for example, for yard, for big like construction, for home?
With
Okay,
fixed
okay,
charge.
perfect.
Francia?
And
Fixed charge.
what is the objective
For
of the
supplier, for supplier.
warehousing?
That's it. Okay. Right, and this says we have
If you
to
keep the
enter
inventory,
two and.
transportation cost will be more or less?
Yes.
Less, okay. And what are the main, maybe factors to design a warehouse?
Yeah.
For example, utilization, you're going to increase
Yeah.
utilization, or decrease? Increase, okay. Perfect, thank you.
Just with this
Yes,
part.
we have four.
Try to simplify it, Renata. Renata. Try to simplify it. Just the basic things that you need to know. I don't need the whole detail, okay?
Thank you very much, thank you. Bye-bye.
And you have one more and you are done, Mustafa.
Okay.
Porque no le toco conmigo de nada, porque ya le tocan las últimas 4. Miren, las preguntas están horribles.
¿Y cuál es el? Ah, no.
Hi, how are you? Please write your name. Okay. For me, it's the last.
Yes, and for Fatemit, he is the last, and for me, she is the last.
I'm first.
I mean, you run so fast, I was so low.
This is really.
Sebastian, where is your account?
Activating each supplier.
Are you
We
in
need to
warehouse
connect them,
or
okay?
Fixed cost,
I
yes.
high to fix costs warehouse.
warehouse? So you have 5 minutes to write, 5 minutes to explain, okay?
Okay.
And at the beginning, we start about the definition, and then I ask you some small questions, okay? So,
Other one is CIJ.
I ask you about the definition of warehousing, what is warehousing, and what is the objective of warehousing,
Okay.
okay? No problem?
Yeah, no problem. What's
So,
your
you want to,
like, or not to cheat?
okay, okay. So, let me ask you from the beginning because.
Okay, explain what you did, please,
Sebastian, good
for the
morning.
video.
And the cost of
Yes,
transporting
please, explain what you
each
did.
unit from every supplier to each.
Yes.
And
now-
Now we have the
Decision variable.
Entity, dining area.
Find the warehouse.
It's
We
a
have
place
to
where
What's
you
the objective of warehouse?
put the
No,
tables.
no, don't worry. Only the structure, the things that you did.
That is the.
And not the detail of each one of the sticks or the attributes, not the characteristics. I mean, have these entities and these connections, and that's all. Don't worry.
So first of all, the people or clients is the primary key.
Well, from every
because,
supplier
they're
to
getting
every
the orders.
customer.
It's optional if you stay at the restaurant
Is the
or
binary
not.
variable?
but
Yes,
Yes.
yes,
You
that's
should
true.
have at least one order.
Perfect.
So in this entity order, we receive the order. It can be a food or drink.
Okay.
How many people do we receive? And automatically the order should be
What type of
connected
supplier?
to the ingredients.
Um,
So let's
yes.
say
Supplier.
if I want
binary
Coca-Cola,
variable, then
then
this
I want
is we
just
activate or not
Coca-Cola.
activate.
If I want
Binary variable
chili, then I want chili
is,
with beans,
0 or
tomato
1.
sauce, meat,
Zero or
Okay.
meat,
one.
and
Is activated.
Activated or
One.
I almost
one
forgot
or not activated.
what
Please explain.
They have to write the
I'm gonna say.
objective
Do
function.
it in Spanish, don't worry.
Huh?
Hazlo en español si quieres.
Okay.
Okay. First we have the indices. that-
Do it in, okay, try to explain it.
We are talking about the suppliers. that is
knife, what?
Four?
exactly 1 to the
Okay.
amount of suppliers.
Right, right.
And then
J
this
equals
goes-
1 from capital J. That is the total amount of customers.
The number of customers, the number of suppliers, yes.
Yes.
Then we have the
Yes.
parameters.
True.
So,
And we have the demand of each
give,
customer,
to
that
the
is
order
J.
to,
And AI, that is the capacity
to
of
achieve the order.
each supplier. And we have the
Bueno,
fixed
para
cost
cumplir,
of activating the
este,
Comply,
supplier.
comply.
And the cost
Comply.
of transporting
Comply.
Comply.
a unit
Comply the
from
order,
each supplier
and
to
then
each
the order.
customer.
issue.
Then we have the decision variables. Xij
One to the
is
dining
the number of units we
or
are
more.
going to
I don't know
to sell
if I can put
from
like
each supplier to each
it's
customer.
optional and this is
And
for
the-
at least one or more.
You can put the crowd tree and the circle outside.
Like that.
No. In the other direction. Entering the. No. But you
They
need.
start the indicate
I
if
mean,
we are
it's
going to
okay,
activate
but
or
the
not
order is
that
wrong.
variable. Sorry, that supplier.
But, like, if we have, my question is, if we
Okay,
have,
so
uh,
the warehouse is-
big
So that's
charge
of any
for.
type.
That's it?
What-
Perfect.
And
Thank you,
we
Jordan.
have- we have-
No more. I saw the mistake, but
This
you corrected the explanation, so that's
I
it.
corrected myself.
Yes.
Instead of
Perfect.
this, I
Thank you
want
so much.
to-
You can erase, please.
Like high efficiency
Because now
making
we are going to
something
activate
really
each
good and
customer.
always way.
Yes.
So
Then you have to have low cost for
here
storage, and
we have
then
to change
you have to
instead
have
of this.
Yes.
well then, what we use in a warehouse,
The
it
rules
is
that
racks,
you make.
buttons, it depends on the type of the warehouse. We have high and low.
Okay, and can you?
But you are the last one.
If
Yes.
So this is what changes if we are going to activate instead of this.
Is that